Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Paysafecard to a bank account. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, log in to your account and look for the option to generate a MasterCard prepaid card. However, please note that this feature is currently available only in certain countries like Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Finland, France, Greece, Ireland, Italy, and a few others. Once you're logged in, you can see the limits for the card. For example, you can top up to a maximum of 5,000, and the annual top-up limit is 50,000. You'll be able to transfer your balance from your PF card to this MasterCard. Remember, you need to be a resident of one of the countries where this feature is available to apply for the card. This is the only official method to transfer money from a PF card to a bank account. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.